It's Money Monday, and our money man, Paul Hood, is with us today. Paul, good to see you. Thanks for being here.
Good to see you.
All right, one of the
Happy
big,
New Year.
Happy New Year to you too. One of the big headlines for this new year, the new tax season, in the big beautiful bill that was passed last year, was the exemption on tips. So let's talk about that. This is for the 25 through 28. So what does this mean? A lot of people watching right now probably get tips in their jobs.
Yeah, so it only applies to jobs that it's customary to get tips, because we were getting excited. We're going to change our staff to get tips.
Right.
That doesn't work. So, and it's actually still taxable. So it'll be reported on your W-2. There's a separate line. But if you make, as a single person, less than $150,000, married couple less than $300,000, you take an above the line deduction on the first $25,000 of tips. So it's real tax-free money if you fit in that. So if you are, work at Mahogany's or some nice restaurant, you get some good tips on your W-2 at the end of the year. There'll be a box that has the tips. And if your income is less than a certain amount, it's a flat-out free income. Now, you'll still pay Social Security taxes, Medicare taxes. Some states are adding it back. Oklahoma is right now is a piggyback state, so they generally take whatever the IRS, whatever the federal law is, and accept that for the state. I haven't seen anything where they're going to add it back, but it's a good deal. It's a really good deal.
So how do you keep track of this? I mean, if you maybe are a waiter or something, I guess that when you get your paychecks, they maybe show it to you. But
yeah, so when you're a waiter, you at the end of the day, whether it's most tips now are on credit card, and so it gets reported to the restaurant. If you get cash tips, you're supposed to report it, and then they do their withholding. And then when you get your W-2, like everybody does that has a job, at the end of the year, it'll say gross wages, Social Security wages, Medicare wages, and there'll be a box for tips. That number right there will come off the top if it's less than $25,000 or less, and if your income is below one of those thresholds. So it's a bang-up bill.
Yeah, definitely. All right, Paul Hood, good to see you.
Good
Thanks
to
so
see
much. And we'll be right back after this break. Stay with us.